Seniors, your muscles are disappearing without this one vegetable in your diet. Are you feeling weaker than you used to? Finding it harder to climb stairs or carry groceries? Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is a serious concern for seniors, but there's a simple, delicious way to fight back. Maintaining muscle mass is absolutely crucial as we age. It's not just about looking good. It's about staying healthy, independent, and enjoying life to the fullest. Strong muscles support our bones, improve balance, and prevent falls. They also play a vital role in our metabolism, helping us maintain a healthy weight and manage blood sugar levels. Without sufficient muscle mass, everyday tasks become challenging. This can lead to a decline in overall health and a loss of independence, impacting quality of life. Sarcopenia is the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. It's a natural process, but it can be significantly accelerated by certain lifestyle factors. The term sarcopenia comes from the Greek words sarx, flesh, and penia, loss. It's more than just shrinking muscles. It's a decline in their function. Several factors contribute to sarcopenia, including aging itself, reduced physical activity, poor nutrition, and hormonal changes. These factors often work together to accelerate muscle loss. The consequences of sarcopenia are far-reaching. They include weakness, fatigue, increased risk of falls and fractures, reduced mobility, and a lower quality of life. Sarcopenia is surprisingly common among seniors. Studies show that it affects a significant percentage of older adults, making it a major public health concern. The secret weapon against muscle loss? Spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is packed with nutrients that can help you maintain and even rebuild muscle mass. Spinach is a nutritional superstar, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a low-calorie, high-nutrient food that should be a staple in every senior's diet. One of the key nutrients in spinach for muscle health is nitrates, but it also boasts significant amounts of potassium and magnesium, all vital for muscle function. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting muscle function, improving blood flow, and reducing inflammation. They work together to keep your muscles strong and healthy. Nitrates in spinach help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles. This enhanced circulation allows your muscles to work more efficiently and recover faster. Think of nitrates as a natural performance enhancer for your muscles. They help them get the oxygen they need to perform at their best, even as you age. Potassium, another key nutrient in spinach, is essential for maintaining electrolyte balance. This balance is crucial for proper muscle contractions and preventing cramps. Without enough potassium, your muscles can become weak and prone to cramping. Spinach helps ensure you have enough of this vital mineral. Magnesium, also abundant in spinach, supports muscle relaxation and helps prevent muscle spasms. It's essential for maintaining healthy muscle function and preventing discomfort. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your muscles from damage caused by free radicals. This reduces oxidative stress and promotes muscle recovery. The anti-inflammatory properties of spinach help combat inflammation, which can contribute to muscle loss. Reducing inflammation is key to maintaining healthy muscle tissue. Adding spinach to your diet is easy and delicious. There are countless ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable, from smoothies to salads to side dishes. Blend spinach into your morning smoothie for a quick and nutritious boost. You won't even taste it, but your muscles will thank you. Toss fresh spinach into your salads for added flavor and nutrients. It pairs well with a variety of dressings and toppings. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil for a simple and healthy side dish. It's a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of greens. Add spinach to soups and stews for extra vitamins and minerals. It wilts down easily and adds a subtle flavor. Aim for at least 1 cup of spinach per day. This will provide you with a significant dose of the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong. Both fresh and frozen spinach are nutritious options. Frozen spinach is often more affordable and can be just as healthy as fresh. While spinach is a fantastic addition to your diet, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. A well-rounded approach to muscle health includes other factors as well. Adequate protein intake is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Make sure you're getting enough protein from sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and lentils. Combining a healthy diet with regular resistance training is the most effective way to combat muscle loss. Lift weights, use resistance bands, or do bodyweight exercises to strengthen your muscles. Staying hydrated is also crucial for muscle function. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your muscles working properly. In addition to spinach, other nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids are also beneficial for muscle health. Consider incorporating these into your diet as well. Spinach is a powerful weapon in the fight against age-related muscle loss. Its rich nutrient profile supports muscle function, improves blood flow, and reduces inflammation. Don't let your muscles disappear. Start incorporating spinach into your diet today and experience the benefits for yourself. Before making any significant dietary changes, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and health conditions. By making proactive choices about your diet and exercise habits, you can maintain your muscle mass, stay strong, and enjoy a long and healthy life. While spinach is generally safe, some individuals may need to be mindful of its high oxalate content. If you have kidney problems, talk to your doctor before increasing your spinach intake. Take control of your muscle health. Add spinach to your diet, engage in regular exercise, and stay hydrated. Your body will thank you for it. Ready to take charge of your muscle health and reclaim your strength? Start incorporating spinach into your daily meals today. Download our free recipe guide with 10 delicious and easy spinach recipes designed specifically for seniors. Click the link in the description below to get your copy now. Don't wait, your muscles will thank you. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy aging and living your best life.